Hello everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. Today we are going to create this slide. It's really amazing. The most amazing thing about this slide is the pictures. Let's fastly try to create it. At first we add a new slide. In our new slide we need to create this shape. It's easy, it's a shape, picture and font. Nothing special. For this thing we use overdraft sunset. Some of you may think how we create this. It's just a shape box that we fill it with the black, and then here we set the transparency to low and do the same thing for the next slide we need. For this slide, this winter slide, copy that, create it. Okay, now we create it. We select all the things in this slide and group them, and also all the things in this slide, and then we need to group them. Now we need to simply copy. We need to simply cut this slide and paste it here. But the important thing is that how we create this effect. For creating that effect, we need to rotate this thing to the angle we want. Here it's good. And also rotate this thing to the angle we want. Let's copy that. Sorry, I don't know what happened, but it's not important. We can always fix it. Copy this thing, paste it here, rotate it, and paste it here. You see the rotation angle is better to be the same, but it's not also a lot important, but it's better be the same. Okay. We create it. Now all the thing you need to do is that you need to copy these two texts, paste it here, and then you need to copy this slide. Here we just need to bring this thing down. After copying, let me do some trick. We click on this two thing and bring them to front. Copy this thing and then rotate it. Put the spring here and bring this thing to front, but in this angle, and then copy that, cut this thing, bring this thing to front, and then just simply copy this thing, paste it here, not the picture, hold, paste it here, and bring it here. Okay, now select all three and set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. You see it has a great animation. I hope you enjoyed. If you like it, tell me in the comments and please like and subscribe. Have a nice time.